Good evening. My name is Pradeep Bharati. I live in Siwan, Bihar. I have completed my BTech in Mechanical Engineering in 2015. Then I started for government job preparation, but I did not able to crack any government exam, and I lost lots of my years. Then I wanted to go for IT job, and I one of my friend told me about Evision Technoserve, and I joined the 45 days on job training program, and finally I got the opportunity to work for SecurEyes with a CTC of 4.5 lakhs, and I want to thank the Evision team, especially Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am and Sania ma'am. They are all very cooperative, and the teachers also, because their teaching style is very different. They teach the theoretical as well as practical, and they also provide the interview preparation, which is very useful in cracking the interviews. So I want to thank each and every person in the Evision Technoserve for guiding me and taking me to the giving me the best opportunity to crack the interview. Thank you. Thanks a lot.